Logo, Anthology. Mountains in the distance under a blue sky. A swimming pool in the center of an apartment complex. Manicured lawns. A woman works on a laptop on the kitchen island of a furnished apartment. Stainless steel appliances, wood floors. Couches, chairs, tables in the living room area. She opens a door and steps onto a sunny balcony overlooking the pool area. Lounge seating, hot tub. She walks into gym stocked with various equipment. She uses the treadmill and her pull-up bar. A bedroom and connecting bathroom with bathtub. She grabs her laptop. A lounge area with a billiard table, kitchen area, and couches. She works at a large table, then has a meeting there. It's in a window-enclosed office space. She heads to the pool in a bathing suit. She lays back in a chair, then swims. Near the pool. She makes burgers with a friend, then they sit on couches around the nearby fire pit. They play a beanbag tossing game. The complex from above. The large buildings surround the central pool area. Mountains in the distance. Logo, Anthology.